Over the years, technology has redefined the way cars are manufactured, operated, and maintained. Smartphones are now seen as a control pad for automated systems, as well as the standard for everyday payment. In this connected world, it's now time for true hands-free refueling technology. Fuelmatics is a pioneer and world leader in fully automatic, environmentally friendly refueling systems.
This technology is so exciting because it's so right in time. Everything is going automatic. You have automatic lawnmowers, you have robotic vacuum cleaners, you have apps for everything, but still you have to fill up your car manually.
There are 50 billion refuelings made every year, and they are all manual. Manual refueling is really boring and slow and dirty. For the future, when we think about all the autonomous car which are coming, I mean, who on earth will think about a manual refueling when your car is autonomous?
Fuelmatics is revolutionizing the refueling industry. The refueling process has been the same for about 100 years. But now finally we have a faster, cleaner and more environmentally friendly system.
The Fuelmatics 5000 unit offers a cleaner and nicer environment for all fuel retailers such as petrol stations, car manufacturing lines, and fleet operators. The unit helps to save time, offers drive-through convenience, and provides a premium service which will boost your business. It has 3 nozzles which handles any kind of liquid and gaseous fuel. This concept is very straightforward and easy to use for the driver. The car would enter the automatic lane. Once the green light at the digital monitor turns red, you park, go to the app, enter your passcode, choose the fuel type and how much fuel you would like. The app then tells you when the unit searches and positions itself for the fuel lid via its onboard camera sensors. The arm reaches position to dock the flexible spout into the fuel tank. You can also follow this on the app. The digital screen displays the exact amount of fuel going in. The nozzle is pulled out and the fuel door will be closed before the green light is turned on. The app will then provide you with a receipt. The driver is ready to go on their way.
Well, it's fantastic working with an innovation that can change the way things are done and to improve quality of life for people and also improve quality for the fuel retailers and the oil companies.
Retailers buying into this technology are gaining a new means of marketing. Fuelmatics is really gaining momentum on social media. Last few months we've gained over 25 million views and it's continuing to spread all over the world. And it is clear that this is a very exciting technology.
There are many more benefits and advantages for retailers in owning this unit. The retailer is able to sell advertising space on the customer's screen, creating a captive audience. It increases customer capacity and loyalty with a better customer experience, even in smaller stations. It has a more efficient infrastructure with smaller canopies. No forecourt controllers are ever needed. No need for card readers as payment, as it is all cloud-based. There are many exciting marketing opportunities.
It's time to change, and now with the app payment, I think Fuelmatics is ready to serve the world with a future solution.
Yeah, this is a very exciting moment for Fuelmatics. We're just launching our system and we have inquiries from all over the world. And I'm certain that in a few years you will see installations in all over the world.
This is Harrison. He loves a good game of ping pong. But finding a competitive partner is hard. Shane is unbeatable. Not fun. Catherine is still learning. Also not fun. And Matthew, now there's a great partner. But he's not always around. Introducing Trainerbot. It's your new ping pong partner that's always available and always competitive. It can shoot any spin, anywhere on a table, on any table. It's got the accuracy of a machine triple its size, but it fits in your bag. And it's the first of its kind that lets you control all of this from your phone. Trainerbot lets you pick a setting that's perfect for you. Beginners can practice their forehands with slow, easy shots. Just choose a location, spin type, and a slow interval. As you improve, Trainerbot grows with you. You can create a sequence that involves multiple shots, like forehand and backhand. And for advanced players, Trainerbot becomes unpredictable. You can make it shoot randomly at maximum speed. In close games, there's no feeling like hitting that epic shot. Those moments are rare, but they don't have to be, because Trainerbot can recreate any match situation. Hit 100 smashes, slice 1,000 shots. It never misses. Having trouble beating your friends? Trainerbot can turn their toughest shots into drills. With enough practice, you'll beat them next time. And never waste another tutorial. Trainerbot transforms hours of YouTube into hours of gameplay. It's also designed to help people connect, regardless of their experience level. Now, anyone can play together without holding back or feeling outmatched. It's your ultimate ping pong partner.
It was so much fun.
Especially that crazy setting where it just shoots everywhere. I'm kind of sweating a little bit right now.
Within 20 seconds, I was already starting to make small adjustments to how I was holding the paddle.
It was very efficient, it was fast.
I started out and it seemed easy, but then it got so much harder. I mean, there's something for every skill level.
I've actually played ping pong robots before. That actually blew my mind.
Hi Kickstarter, I'm Alex.
And I'm Harrison.
Me and my brother always try to kick each other's ass while we play ping pong. So we start building the first Trainerbot with just a garbage can to just searchable for us to smash. But later on we find out with app and software, you can do a lot more. You can simulate games, you can create your own drills, and the coolest part is you can share those drills with anyone in the world.
3 months ago, we decided to join HAX, which is the world's largest hardware accelerator. We sourced a lot of motors, and we also designed all the mechanism from the ground up to give you the fun experience that we want you to have. We have talked to many manufacturers now. Now the last part is just tooling. And Kickstarter, that's why we need your help.
Please back and share this campaign on Kickstarter so we can bring Trainerbot to you.
Thank you!
Thank you!